Most independent artists do not get discovered not because the music is bad, but because fans do not know where to find them. If you're an independent artist, you are probably sharing your links everywhere: DMs, WhatsApp, Instagram bio, stories, but it's still not working. Fans click, they get confused, they leave, and you lose them forever. No central place, no direct connection, no way to turn interest into real fans. That is the problem, not your music. This is exactly why we built Fanlinka. Fanlinka gives you one simple professional artist page where fans can discover you, follow you, and support you all in one place. Let me show you how to get set up in less than 5 minutes. So to create a profile within 5 minutes, you have to come to the landing page, which is fanlinka.com. And when you get to the landing page, you just need to go to the header there or the navigation bar and press join now, which we will do right now. You can either fill out the information over here and then you'll be signed up, or you can just go directly to Google here, which is what I will be doing right now. So I'll be using Google to sign in, or you can use Facebook. It is up to you. Just choose any of your accounts there. I'll choose this one. I'm thinking that one does not have an account associated with it. And then it will sign you in. And what you will need to do now is finish your artist profile. So let's say my name is Hype and my last name is Train. Let's say that. And then we choose a unique username, which is how your people will find you. Let's say Prince Train is a username, and your stage name right there, I will say it is the same name. And you just scroll down a little bit there, and then you go to your genre, right? You just press my genre is hip hop right there. And it's very important that you choose your location, because your location is where people will be able to find you within your neighborhood, within your city. And so I'm in Cape Town currently. And then you need an artist bio, which is very important. The best in the game. That's what my artist bio is going to say. And you complete artist sign up. And then it will sign you up. You will be there on the free plan on the dashboard. And as you can see at the top, it says your profile is hidden from discovery. You need to complete 4 requirements to go live: the banner image, the profile image, and at least 1 song, because you've already added your bio. So when we press right there at launch, you can just go directly to launch. And then you will see that there is a launch checklist that you need to complete. So we've made it easier for you. The artist bio is there. And then when you press profile photo, let's see what happens when you press profile photo. It will allow you to choose a profile image directly from your computer. I'll just choose this one right here. Okay, just chose a random one right there. It will require you to add a banner. So we're just going to choose an image there that will make a good banner. And quality is everything, guys. You want your profile to look good, because that is the only way that your fans are going to be excited enough to follow you. As you can see, we have every single thing uploaded, but now what you need to do is upload your song. So if you go directly there to music, it's going to send you to the music and media section, and then you just press upload song. And it can be a single, it can be an album, it can be an EP. It is up to you. I'm just going to name a random song. Let's say hip hop. That is the name of our song, hip hop, and the genre is hip hop rap. And if you are going to be giving the song away for free, then you can press 0 there, and you should be able to have it as a free download. But if you are selling it, then you would need an ISRC number, which will help you sell the song. So we're just going to say, let's say for this particular single, we're just going to say 7 Rand. That's what we're selling the song for. It is 7 Rand. And you can add a description here: new hip hop song, right? Great. And then if it's explicit, you can actually toggle that, and it will require you to add an image. So let's try to upload an image. And every single thing that we're doing is taking less than 5 minutes. So let's upload this image right there. That is for the single hip hop. And then you can quickly look for the song there that you want to upload. Let's upload this one right here. And after that is there, you can just say upload single. And then you just give it a moment to upload, which was what we will do. Depending on how many songs, it may take a bit of time. But as you can see, it is counting up for you. And that is it. It is done right there. And you have the amount sorted. And then what you can do is, so you can, or it's currently published, you can publish it to your media player. All right. And if you quickly, if you refresh the page, if you go onto your dashboard button right there, you will see the sign on the top has disappeared. So the sign is not there anymore. And then when you go to your public profile, you can see that you have one song. The song is on your media player right there. And if people want to buy it, they can buy it, they can share it, they can tip you, as well as they can add it to their playlist, which we will integrate with other DSPs where you can join playlists remotely. That is your profile, ladies and gentlemen. And if you come over here, you'll be able to see you are available on the discovery sections. As you can see, Prince Train right there is visible because his profile has been completed. Now, when someone finds your music, they do not just listen and disappear. They can follow you, they can join your email list, and you can actually build a sustainable relationship with your fan. This is how independent artists move, from being unknown to being supported. Create your artist profile for free in under 5 minutes at fanlinka.com and start turning listeners into real fans.